Are you looking for a fresh start in Europe? Slovakia might just be the opportunity you have been waiting for. Slovakia offers competitive salary, affordable cost of living. So if you're searching for factory work, seasonal employment, or even professional career, there is a place for everyone in the Slovakia growing economy. Just click on the link in the description box to get started. And if you find value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, share to your friends, and also subscribe to the channel.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services. This is a wonderful community platform that you'll be able to know a lot of things in terms of traveling abroad.
Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page you're seeing on the screen here. Here we have over 12,000 job vacancies on this website. We have the private security worker, assistant educators, technical specialists, electrical and electronic equipment assemblers, painters and vanishers, bus, trolley, bus and tram drivers, painters and vanishers also. We also have the administrative workers in accounting, welders, porter, and the solderers. So let's check out one of these vacancies together. So I'll use that as an example for you. So once you want to start applying for jobs on this website, you just take that example as a guideline to get to the application process and submit your application. So I'll just click on this private security worker. And note, most of this vacancy comes with visa sponsorship, but it might not be indicated there that there is visa sponsorship, except you write to the employer and let them know you will need the employer to make visa for you to come down to Slovakia to work. So here we are, and make sure you translate your page. You get translate your page so you can have a better understanding of what you want to do on this website. Okay, so this is the page here. Here we have the private security. You can see the job overview, the job sector, contract type, occupation, and the number of posts, the job description, job location, requirement. So you just need your upper secondary education. So this is the employer's name, their sector, and the legal ID. So all you have to do is to scroll down to the bottom part to check how to apply. In case you want to ask questions about this vacancy, you can write to the name, the employer. This is the employer's email address. So just write your inquiries there and they will definitely get back to you. So here we have how to apply. You send your CV, your cover letter, and other supporting document that could boost your chance of getting accepted, or getting selected rather. So you send everything to this email address here, and when you are sending your application, try to include this job vacancy ID, so it will be easy for the employer to um direct them back to the particular job you applied for on this website. And this is the same step you are going to use for every other vacancy you are looking for on this website. And make sure you indicate it there. Let the employer know you will require visa to come work in Slovakia. So if they are a licensed company and they are capable of doing that, so they will definitely do that for you once you get selected. So I wish you best of luck.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.